packed in a thick, robust cardboard box. Upon delivery, please make sure that the boxes are intact and undamaged. If they are, report it to the courier. The packaging is fastened with plastic straps and stapled. Sleeve the straps before you open the box, then lift the upper closing flap to securely open the box. The bike is wrapped with foil, styrofoam, cardboard and plastic bands. As you can see, there is a log underneath the seat post. In the package, there is a cardboard box that comes along with bike. In it, you will find a battery, keys to lock it, Allen keys and a spanner to mount the parts. Factors, and a charger. Please carefully remove the packaging so that everything, including the body paint and all the cables, are intact. Start assembling your bike with handlebars. On some occasions, the lever doesn't click. In such case, please fold the handlebars back and redo the process. Once done, you can adjust the height to a comfortable position. If the handlebars are loose and not firmly mounted, you can regulate it using a screw, which you can see on the screen now. You can adjust the angle of your handlebars using the lever. It will ensure a long-lasting setup. Next, assemble the frame. The process is straightforward. Unfold the frame with hands, grab and depress the smack lever. You will hear a clicking sound, which means the frame is properly fixed. Adjust your seat post. If the post slips down, fix a screw in the back of it. After this part is done, insert the battery and lock the cover with a key. After it is closed and locked, you will not be able to take it out. To activate the battery, press the silver button on the cover. On one side, you will find two rubber pads. Insert the charger into one of them and use the other to charge your smartphone or any other USB chargeable device. Inside the battery, you will find a rear light. To switch it on, press the button. You can slide it out and charge with USB cable. There is a front light powered with battery in the front. A shift lever is mounted to the handlebars. Turn on the power display, pushing the middle button. Along with bike come pedals marked R for right and L for left. Screwing them in is effortless. Just keep moving the crank arm. To ensure the pedals fit perfectly, screw them tightly using the attached spanner. Once the bike is assembled, it looks like this.